Right, now I'm going to show you how to make some bliss balls. They're really easy, but ideally you need a food processor. This one here is over 10 years old. If you're a whole food vegan, it's really a good idea to have one. They're so versatile. You can buy any spare parts if you need a new blade or something like that. So, you know, anyway. So the first thing you want to do is chop up some prunes and some dates, and measure. It's easier if you just measure everything out. So, and the first thing is to put some almonds in. This is 150 grams of almonds. I'm sorry, going to make a bit of a noise, and then we just pulse the almonds to break them down a bit. Oh, at least we would if it was on. I'll just turn it on. Oopsie. Sorry about that. The next thing we want to do is put in about 320 grams of chopped dates. So there we go. 320 grams of chopped prunes. And then after that we pop in 100 grams of walnuts. And then some mixed seeds. I've got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds are good in here. And that's about 180 grams of those. There you go. About 30 grams of desiccated coconut. So as you can see, it's a nice sort of crumbly texture. And then we're going to put some cacao in, but at this point you can always put in, say, grated orange zest, or other sort of flavourings if you want to go in there. And you can mix and match the nuts and the seeds as well. They don't have to be the exact nuts that I've put in. The last thing to go in is the raw cacao. There we go. And that is about 30 grams. Okay, actually I'm going to stick it in a bowl. It's the easiest thing to do. Oopsie. Glass. Okay, I've transferred it to a bowl. And the next thing we want to do is to turn it into little balls. So take some, scrunch it up. I normally do them about 25 grams. Let's turn my little measuring scales on. Oh, no I don't in fact do it 25 grams. Let's do it about... I normally do it about 50 grams. There we are. It's a while since I've made these. So kind of squish them up. And get something like sesame seeds. Roll them. There we go. Ta-da! One little Amiga ball.
Zooming in.
I can say pop them on a plate. There we top of a plate. There we go. Boom. Ta-da! Right, let's do another one. You can coat them in cacao, chocolate, carob, chopped nuts, desiccated coconut, squidge them together. See all the, I think that must be the oil out of the nuts. And then let's put this one like so. These are great if you've been out, if you're going out running or cycling or picnics. They're got a lovely energy boost. And they are delicious, and they're also really healthy. There's nothing bad in there at all. And they're also much cheaper than the ones you buy in the shops. And of course, the ones you buy in the shops, they've got other stuff in there which isn't necessarily so great. That's what I'll do. And then I won't make you watch all these.
No, well, I'm moving the camera around, Mum.
But
you have to bear with the camera lady.
Okay. Another thing you can do is these make really make nice presents. So you could pop them in one of these little bags, have a few in there, tie it up with a bit of ribbon, that makes a really nice present. So, well, there you go. Right. I'll just get on and make the rest of these.